Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Times Hockey. Today we're opening up some 2016 Canada Juniors, including the women's team. We've have a couple of breaks of those cards in our channel. We've got some cool cards in the backgrounds. You can see some Emily Clark patch, a pretty cool Dylan Strome on sticker autograph, and a Mario Lemieux out of 175. We got a sidekick like that too. We got a couple autographs. So let's hope for more good stuff. So it's 5 cards per pack, 16 packs per box. Let's get this break started. Pack number 1. John Quenville. Ooh, quad jersey. Dylan Strome, Mitch Marner, Lawson Krause, Matthew Barzal. I don't think it gets any better than that when it comes to the players on this team. Very cool. Doesn't seem to be numbered. Awesome start. And Martin St. Louis makes an appearance. We got a card less, if I'm not mistaken. Dylan Dubé, Dylan Strome, Wayne Gretzky, exclusives, red. Very cool. Back-to-back Gretzky's. All right. Here we go. Rebecca Johnston. Travis Dermott. Another jersey duel. Jersey. Roland McEwen and Hayden Fleury. Awesome. Unnumbered. And Doug Gilmore. This product's been a lot of fun so far. I mean, even now it just still surprises me after so many packs. Pascal Laberge, Rob Brandamore, Nolan Patrick, Marie-Philippe Poulin, John Quenville, Pierre-Luc Dubois, Jennifer Wakefield, Program of Excellence, Natalie Spooner. I like these cards. David Quenville and Jacob Chikrin. Josh Mahura, Sarah Davis, Jamie Lee Rattray, exclusives numbered out of 175 red. Pierre-Luc Dubois and Joe Hicketts. Joe Sakic, Mitch Marner, Lauriane Rougeau, Gold, Thomas Chabot and Blaine Turnbull. Kale Clagg, Victor Mete, Brigitte Laquette Gold, Dylan Strome, and Nicholas Hague. Let's go for an autograph. Mario Lemieux, Jamie Lee Rattray, Jason McDonald, Megan Mickelson, Michael McLeod, Emily Clark, Tyson Jost, Megan Acosta Marciano Gold, Noah Gregor, and Nolan Patrick. Michael McLeod, Connor Hall, Tyson Jost, Gold, Mitch Marner, and Bailey Brown. Jocelyn Larocque, Hayden Fleury, Pascal Laberge, on sticker autograph, numbered out of 199. Very nice. Evan Fitzpatrick, Gold, Stevie Y, and Anthony Beauvillier. That's what I'm talking about. So many surprises for a fairly good price. Stuart Skinner, Dylan Wells, Program of Excellence, Lawson Krause, Martin Brodeur, and Jacob Chikrin. Mackenzie Blackwood, Program of Excellence, Rebecca Johnston, Brandon Hickey, Gold, Grant Fuhr, Rourke Chartier. Last two packs. Jillian Saunier, Stuart Skinner, jersey, Maxime Comtois. And for the last pack of this box, we got another one coming. Brett Howden, Owen Tibbett, Program of Excellence, Logan Stanley, Matthew Barzal, and Jake Beam. So once again, this break, a lot of fun cards. I mean, Pascal Laberge, another little patch here, numbered out of 199 on sticker auto. Quad jersey, Dylan Strome, Mitch Marner, Lawson Krause, Matthew Barzal. Very cool card. Got a duel. Hayden Fleury and Roland McEwen. The great one, red exclusives numbered out of 175. So if you like what I do here on Good Times Hockey, I'll ask you to please subscribe, comment, like, and if you like this product, there is another one coming, as I was saying. So hopefully we'll see you next time for some more Good Times Hockey.